What's going on, y'all? It's your boy back with another video. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. I'm here at the shop right now. Performance Sounds. About to get ready to get my upgraded intercooler installed. Taking the old one out, putting a new one in. My boy Andy here. We set this appointment for today so I can get some videos and everything like that. You know, he was kind enough to, you know, squeeze me in early this morning to actually get some footage on how to install one of these intercoolers if you got an F-150. So that's cool, man. That's big ups to him. Also, if you new to the channel, feel free to like this video, comment, and subscribe. I'm giving away $100 to my first 500 subs. Once that 500 subs hit, I will automatically, randomly choose someone to win that $100. Follow my Instagram page. I'm gonna have the link down in the description below. My truck build page is Dark Vader 3.5. That's VADER 3.5. You know, so that'll be easy for me to keep track, and also hit you up on Instagram to let you know if you've been chosen. So every 500 subscribers that I get and reach is going to be a giveaway. The giveaway is just going to continue to get better for my appreciation to you guys for taking the time out, watching these videos, and just, you know, giving back, man. You know what I'm saying? So just, you know, doing something different, man. Stepping out my comfort zone, you know, doing this YouTube. I'm small, I'm growing, and that's in life, period, man. Continue to grow and elevate yourself and not feel comfortable. If you feel comfortable, you feel uncomfortable, you know what I'm saying? We all get complacent sometimes in life, but, you know, we got to reach for more than just being comfortable. So I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. I'm finna go up in here and let them know I'm here so we can get this started. I got some other errands that I gotta run today before I go to work tomorrow. And also, man, check this out real quick. Eventually, I'm gonna have a setup like that rim. You know, I'm gonna lift this bad boy up. I'm still debating if I want to go 4-inch or 6-inch. I'm still doing my research and homework on that. There's a lot of factors that go into it, going 6 and having big tires. So I'm still doing my research though. Also, man, go look at my last video. You will see that I end up wrapping my truck if I haven't showed it on this video yet. So go to that last video that I posted, watch it, like it, and let me know what y'all thoughts are on that.